I am going to show you how to create this split screen effect in Premiere Pro. So right here on my timeline, I have 3 different clips. I'm going to select the top two, head over to Effects and search for Radial Wipe. And I click and drag the Radial Wipe effect onto both clips and I head over to Effects Controls. And I am going to select one of the videos. I'm going to add a keyframe to position. Scroll down to Radial Wipe, add a keyframe to Transition Completion and Start Angle. Select the second clip. I'm going to repeat the same thing, add a keyframe to position. Scroll down to Radial Wipe and add a keyframe to Transition Completion and Start Angle. And then you're going to move your playhead a few seconds into the clip. And then you're going to go back to the first clip, scroll down to Radial Wipe, and then you're going to change the value of Transition Completion to 50 and then Start Angle to 50 as well. And then head over to Position, add another keyframe to Position, and then you're going to position the clip like this. And then you're going to select the second clip on the timeline, change the value of Transition Completion to 50, and then Start Angle to 230. Scroll up to Motion, select Motion, and then you're going to position the clip like this. Now to complete the effect, you're going to add border lines. So I'm going to head over to Tool, select the Pen tool, and then draw my border line. And then head over to Insertion Graphics, uncheck Fill, uncheck Stroke, and then increase the border line depending on how thick you want it to be. And then on the timeline, you're going to position it at the point where you want the line to start from, and increase the duration of the line to the point where you want it to end. And then with the line selected, you are going to duplicate it by holding down your Alt key, select the duplicate, head over to Effects Controls and click on Vector Motion, and then click and drag the duplicated line to the position where you want it to be. And then for the final touch, you are going to add a wipe transition to both lines, and then click on one of them, head over to Effects Controls and check Reverse. That's it. Please like and subscribe.